My name is Sachin Abhiradana, and I'm the author and founder of DeepSchool.io. In the next few weeks, I'll be giving a talk on the advancements of AI and how it has impacted and will impact our daily lives. Artificial intelligence has been getting a lot of publicity in the media lately, and along with this, a lot of hype. Self-driving cars has perhaps been the biggest driver of this craze. Along with 3D printing and virtual reality, it's been marked as one of the technologies that will transform the world in the next 20 years.
My name is Sophia, and I am an artificially intelligent robot who wants to help change the world for the better.
You learn from my previous questions.
My hard disks are spinning, and I am taking it on. My sensors are altered.
Most assume that using AI is only the domain of large IT companies like Google, Facebook, IBM, and so on. However, there has been a large push to democratize AI, giving even people on laptop at home the power to exploit it. Even the smallest companies can and should employ AI in the pipeline, and we will talk about how this is possible. Along with these advancements, there's been a lot of talk about doomsday predictions against robots. In my talk, I will discuss how realistic this idea is. And with that, I look forward to seeing you all there. Thank you.